Hi everybody. So today we're going to take a look at solving equations. These are going to be one-step equations, and we're going to use the model of a balance. So a balance is where both sides are the same amount, and as long as we keep doing the same operations or the same to both sides, everything's going to stay equal. What we're going to look at first is a problem where we have 3 cartons of crayons, and together those 3 cartons weigh 60 pounds. So let's just put the 60 pounds on the other side of our scale here so that we know what we're dealing with. So 3 cartons weigh 60 pounds. This is not probably a very difficult one, and many of you can solve this by inspection. What we want to do though is find a solution strategy so that we can show our work. We want to write down some algebra for this. So we have 3 unknown amounts. I'm going to put down 3, and I'm going to say C for the weight of the carton, because that's the value that we don't know at the minute. And we're going to make that equal to the 60 pounds that we know we have in total. Since we have 3 cartons and since we have 60 pounds, let's try to split that 60 pounds evenly between each of the cartons. We're going to assume they're all the same amount. So if I have 60 pounds, I'm going to break it into 3 groups of 20 pounds each, and that's going to give us our answer for how much each carton weighs. So when we think about algebra, this share word is going to tell us that we are dividing. When we share things out, we divide evenly. So we took the 60 pounds, we divided it evenly. We ended up with every carton having a weight of 20 pounds. So each carton weighs 20 pounds. Let's take a look at another problem. So half a package of cereal weighs 270 grams. How much would the whole package weigh? So if we look at our diagram this time, we have 1 box of cereal, but only halfway full, and we know that that's worth 270 grams. So if we think about it, both sides of this package, both sections here, are going to be the same amount. So down below you can see that we filled in another section worth of cereal, and that's another 270 grams. So algebraically, if we start off, we have our box of cereal and calling it X this time. We could have given it B for box. Doesn't actually matter what variable you use, but it was split into 2 to give us a weight of 270 grams. And we needed to double up. So in order to fill the box, we had to double the amount of cereal that we had because we had 2 parts. So we want to take our equation and multiply every single piece of it by 2, so that now we have the box. X is what we stood for, the weight of the box, and that's the 540 grams. So we've solved our equation for X. We figured out the weight of the box of cereal. So I'd like you to try this one for yourself. I'm just going to have to try and shuffle it over a bit. Sorry about that. So we have a carton of cupcakes, and it's a quarter full. 5 cupcakes in it, so how many cupcakes will the whole box hold? Press pause for now, try it out for yourself, and then you can press play again, and I'll have the solution for you down below, and you can check if you're right. So here's our solution. Did you get 20 cupcakes in the box? This time, because there were 4 sections, we had to multiply our equation by 4 in order to get the right amount of a full box of cupcakes, not cereal. Okay, so these are our 1 steps, and this is solving by thinking about balancing. There's another way we can think about equations, and we're going to look at that in the next video.